Unbelievable, huh? So much going on as far as the tropics are concerned. Take a look. We have Tropical Storm Lydia, not so much here, but anytime it gets closer to the Baja Peninsula, it makes a difference in our weather if we get some of that moisture surge up the Gulf of California. Now watch the path. It's still a tropical storm and forecast projections keep it that way, but it gets pretty close for comfort, I'll tell you that. I mean, if we get enough of this moisture from it, even though it's a westerly track, northwesterly track, keeps it away from Las Vegas, we can still grab some of that. And if we do, then that could certainly enhance a chance for rainfall for the weekend. There are some small chances, but they could make those rather large chances with added moisture. And that could come end of the weekend for early next week. So just in time for your holiday weekend here, we'll be watching it closely. Take a look at Harvey. It's just basically an area of low pressure now, just tracking its way with a lot of rain still. I mean, really, 3 to 10 inches in areas that after it left Texas, so much. And then we'll shoot over to Irma. There's Irma and that Cat 3 right there. So still a ways away, but just to give you that perspective, I thought I'd show them both to you. So it seemed like the tropical season just kind of blew up, didn't it? We haven't heard much about it. Most of the other storms have stayed out to sea, so that's when you don't hear much about them. Desert Doppler is something we'll be watching carefully for the weekend, tracking any sort of opportunities for any storms. I'm not seeing anything on it right now except over toward, it looks like the Spring Range and out to you folks in Pahrump. You're watching some of that. It's not holding together well, but not to say it couldn't. We could get some isolated storms before it's all said and done. So once again, a lot of tropical stuff going on, and certainly thunderstorms is kind of something we're going to have to consider really for the next week likely, because the summer monsoon's still around. Show you Futurecast quickly. Watch Saturday. Not a whole lot brewing, but some of that moisture from Lydia looks like it could enter the picture later Saturday into Sunday and into Monday as well. So at least we'll keep that kind of our eyes to the skies on this one and be tracking that for you. We gave you the first alert several days ago that could be an option, so we're going to keep it in for that option because it looks like there's a chance of that enhancing any sort of rainfall. Temperatures stay hot through next week, however. We're not dodging that yet. I'll tell you that. Back to you guys.
Okay, thank you, Brian.